When you watch the money rolling in uninterrupted, it can be tough to stop employing this money-making strategy. Many people's life can be changed by this income. Numerous of these people are total beginners who have never previously made any money online. I'll be showing you 3 distinct money-generating apps in total, as well as some original strategies for automating things so you don't have to do anything at all and can keep producing free money with full automation. This is a newly discovered secret technique that you won't find anywhere else, so make sure you don't miss any crucial steps. If you stay until the end, don't miss out on another special bonus of $400 in free money. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. We'll talk about 3 separate apps today once again. Use them all to boost your revenue possibilities. So let's begin with the first app. The top-ranked Make Money Free Cash app pays out well and is easy to use, making it perfect for novices who want something uncomplicated and have no prior experience or knowledge. The best feature is that it is absolutely free and available in any nation. You may download this from Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. You can get it via the App Store if you have an iPhone. They will give you a few chores to accomplish after you download the program, and you can get paid for each click. By simply touching on your phone, you can earn per click repeatedly. I'm talking about real money that you can put into your bank account, PayPal account, or, if you choose, Bitcoin wallet. There are many different ways to earn money. You will still need to click on your phone frequently even though you will earn a lot of money from it. Some people don't mind because it's so straightforward, but some of you could have a lot of other responsibilities. I'm talking about things like going to work, going to school, taking care of family members, or just wanting more free time to engage in other interests. The majority of us want to earn some extra money, but we don't have a lot of time to do it. This is why I want to let you in on a secret opening that will let you use the app every day. By receiving tens of thousands of clicks, you'll make a fortune. Keep watching because I'll go into great depth about how it works and how we can combine your efforts to take use of some free software so that you can automatically produce much more money. I'll also demonstrate how to withdraw your funds, which is an additional critical step. Many people who misuse it can make money, but they are unable to ever remove any of it because their earnings are locked up in the program. Make sure to watch this video through to the very end if you want to make real money and be able to give it out. Once you've accumulated all of your gains, you can pay out using a variety of methods. At that time, it will congratulate you and show you how much money you're making. If you want to withdraw money quickly within 2 or 3 days, I advise utilizing PayPal. The thing I like most about this program is how upfront they are. They'll show you how much money you made today and at this moment. After seeing the numbers themselves, you can translate them into actual money. It's crucial to record every dollar you earn. There are 4.6 stars total among the more than 468,000 ratings. Because this program has been on the market for such a long time, people continue to make money from it. Currently, a lot of people take use of this method to automatically make money. You'll learn about the technique used in secret and the plan employed by people who are making a lot of money. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for AutoClicker first. This is the program that enables you to touch and click on your screen automatically using free software that you may download on your phone. You will automatically associate each time they click on your phone screen with money utilizing different websites and apps. When I initially started utilizing this automatic clicker to easy software, I discovered a brand new program from professional developers. This program is currently a top trending one. When you click on it, information about its availability for download and the over 6,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.5 stars will be displayed. They are still not widely known because they are a recent application. The ease of use of this AutoClicker when everything has been set up is its best feature. If you want them to be in a single target mode, for example, you can select a position, like the phone center. As you can see, there is a blue circle where you can program a robot to click on your phone every time it is in that location. Every single second, it will keep tapping on your phone screen, and you may do it 60 times in a minute to generate a lot of money automatically. Owning many gadgets such as an iPad or 2, 3, or more phones will increase your income significantly. 2 or more complex techniques out there, such multi-targets, which enables you to repeatedly click on multiple places. The distinction between single target and multiple targets, I found, is non-existent. Simply click single target, being careful to click there repeatedly. It will click 60 times each minute, enabling you to generate income completely on autopilot. The second app is called Feature Points. For a free download of this application, go visit featurepoints.com. People are frequently withdrawing hundreds of dollars from this app while still making passive income. They take part in many different activities, such as downloading apps, and they also get recommendations that keeps coming in continuously. It continues to expand with countless new points automatically adding every day. You can use this application to withdraw money from PayPal daily if you'd like. On this app, you can take surveys, download apps, play games, and participate in contests. The third and final app is now available. Before I introduce the app, take a look at this. They can access them in so many nations. No matter what country you are in, you can start using and downloading this program on your iOS or Android devices for free. You can exchange your funds for Amazon, iTunes, or PayPal gift cards after you've downloaded it. The name of this program is iPool. On this app, you may voice your ideas and take part in brief surveys that should only take 3 to 5 minutes to finish. They might keep sending you short, easy surveys after you do them to boost your income. The more surveys you finish, the more money you get, and the more high-paying surveys you get. I have a special bonus scheme. The name of the second revenue-generating website is Survey on the Go. You can utilize the survey website to earn around $1, $2 to $3, and so on for each click and quick surveys you complete. Even though it's a small amount, you may still come here and complete a survey while you're on the road to get some extra money. Feature Points, iPool, and Survey on the Go are just a few of the website that supports auto-clicker, which is the finest part about it. All of this taken together results in a sizable daily income. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.